Welcome to Divine Arts of Food. In this video, we'll see the recipe of chicken tikka, which is really very easy to make, which we can make without tandoor and oven. Let's get started. So for the making of chicken tikka, I have kept all my spices ready, which I'll be using in my recipe. For that, first in a bowl add 100 grams of hung curd. Hung curd is nothing but the normal curd which doesn't have water content in it. So add 100 grams of hung curd, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, now add salt according to your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add lemon juice of half lemon and give these all spices a nice mix. After that, I'll add boneless chicken pieces of about half kg. You can also use chicken with bones. So for the next ingredient, I will be using gram flour. So I'll be roasting it in 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 tablespoons of gram flour and roast it well in the oil. After it has roasted well, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So at this stage, when you add the chili powder, it will give a nice color. So give this a nice mix and add this to your marinated chicken. After mixing this well, I'll add the next ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. So this will give you a nice tangy flavor, but this is optional. Then add half a teaspoon of fennel powder and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. At last add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. So this will give you a nice flavor. It is easily available in markets, you can get it. At last, I'll add half a teaspoon of chaat masala. This is also optional. To give a nice tanginess, you can add the chaat masala. Now finally give this all a nice mix. Close this and marinate for 1 hour at least or overnight also. So now my chicken is marinated well. Now for giving the smokiness similar to restaurant style, I will place a coal which you have to light this with the stove. After that, add ghee or oil over that and immediately close your bowl, or otherwise the smoke will not get into the chicken. So close this and leave this for 15 minutes. So you can see how smoke is inside the bowl, and this will give you a nice flavor to our chicken. After that, I'll use a skewer to arrange my chicken, or you can cook directly over the stove without skewers also. So before inserting my chicken into the skewer, I will apply some oil. So gently place the chicken in your skewers. And don't forget to leave some gap between each piece of chicken. So I have arranged all the chicken pieces in my skewers and it is ready. You can bake at 180 degrees for 10 minutes on each side in the preheated oven, or you can cook over the tawa, which is really very best idea. Without oven and tandoor, you can prepare your chicken tikka. So cook this for 10 minutes in each side by adding some oil in between. So my chicken tikka is almost done. You can serve your yummy chicken tikka with green chutney, that is mint chutney, or with tomato ketchup or any side dish. This is really very easy to make, that too without oven and tandoor. We can make chicken tikka at home similar to restaurant style. So hereafter you can make chicken tikka at home without tandoor. Don't think that you can't make chicken tikka at home, but you can make more yummy chicken tikka, which is very yummy. You can also make this with paneer. In my previous video I have made it with paneer, that is paneer tikka. You can watch that video, also give the link in description. See how well my chicken tikka is cooked, and it is very soft inside since we have marinated it for 2 hours. So give this yummy, delicious chicken tikka recipe a try and enjoy. I'll see you all in my next recipe. Until then, bye from the Divine Arts of Food.